In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Microsoft Outlook Email on Desktop Fast 2025 Guide. To follow along, all you need is a desktop browser and your Microsoft account credentials. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook. Look for the official Microsoft link and check that the address bar shows a secure connection and a Microsoft.com domain. That ensures you're signing in on the real site. On the Outlook page, click Sign In. If you've signed in before on this device, you'll see the account picker. Simply click the account you want to use to continue. If you don't see the right one, choose Use Another Account. This opens a field where you can type your email address associated with Outlook or Microsoft 365. Take a second to double check for typos, then select Next. You'll be prompted for your password. Enter it carefully. Passwords are case sensitive, and avoid saving it on shared or public computers. When you're ready, click Next to continue. Microsoft may ask if you want to stay signed in. Choosing yes is convenient on a personal, trusted computer because it keeps you logged in between sessions. Choosing no is safer on shared or work devices since it ensures your email closes when you exit the browser. Pick the option that fits your situation and you'll proceed automatically. After that, you'll land on your Outlook homepage. From here, you can see your inbox, compose new messages, and access your calendar and contacts. For quick access later, consider bookmarking the Outlook page. If you use multiple Microsoft accounts, you can switch by clicking your profile picture in the upper corner, signing out, and then repeating the same sign-in steps with the other account. A couple of quick tips if something doesn't go as planned. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password link on the sign-in screen to reset it securely. If your organization uses additional verification, complete the prompt from your Authenticator app, text, or email as instructed. And if the page seems stuck, try refreshing, clearing your browser cookies for Microsoft sites, or opening a private window and signing in again. On first login, you might be prompted to review your time zone or language preferences. Confirm those so your calendar and timestamps display correctly. It's also a good idea to add recovery options in your account security settings so you can get back in quickly if you ever lose access. And if you prefer using the Outlook desktop app, the process mirrors what you've just seen once the app is installed. That's it. You've successfully signed into Microsoft Outlook on your desktop quickly and securely.